Netlify tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and search for netlify.com in the search bar. Log into your account, or if you do not have one, create one first by clicking the Sign Up button on the top right corner of the page. When the options appear, choose the Sign Up with Email option to proceed. Enter your email and password in the provided fields. Then click the Sign Up button to continue. You will be asked to check your email, so open your inbox and click the Verify Email button. Next, enter your first name and last name. After that, choose an option that describes how you are planning to use Netlify. Scroll down and continue filling in all of your information in the provided fields. Once done, click the Continue to Deploy button to proceed. You will then be asked to choose your first project deployment method, such as GitHub, GitLab, or other available options. You can also click the Skip this step for now option to continue. Once you are in the project section, you can start by importing your project from Git, browsing a template, or deploying your file manually to start using Netlify.